Welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the DJI Mic Mini wireless lavalier microphone kit. Product link is in the description below. This system is designed for vloggers, streamers, and professionals who want portable, detail-rich audio with long battery life and versatile connectivity. The design is compact and ultralight, making it easy to carry and set up. The kit includes 2 transmitters, 1 receiver, and a charging case, all finished in sleek black. The charging case not only protects the gear but also extends usability, ensuring the microphones are ready whenever you need them. DJI engineered this kit to balance portability with professional-grade performance, appealing to creators who want reliable audio without bulky equipment. Performance is where the DJI Mic Mini shines. With noise cancelling and automatic limiting, it delivers clear, balanced audio even in challenging environments. The microphones capture detail-rich sound, making voices crisp and natural for vlogs, interviews, and live streams. The system supports up to 48 hours of use with the charging case, ensuring uninterrupted recording sessions. Whether indoors or outdoors, the Mic Mini provides consistent audio quality that elevates content creation. Connectivity and usability are highlights. The receiver connects easily to iPhones, Android devices, cameras, and laptops, offering broad compatibility. Plug-and-play functionality simplifies setup, while wireless transmission ensures freedom of movement during shoots. The intuitive design makes it accessible for beginners, while advanced features satisfy professionals. The compact charging case keeps everything organized and ready to go. Durability and convenience stand out. DJI designed this microphone system with robust components for long-term reliability. The ultralight build reduces fatigue during extended use, while the charging case ensures portability. Its combination of professional audio, wireless convenience, and compact design makes it a versatile solution for creators. Use cases are broad. For vloggers, it ensures clear audio while filming on the go. For streamers, it provides reliable sound during live broadcasts. For professionals, it's a portable solution for interviews, presentations, and events. For educators, it simplifies recording lectures and tutorials. In summary, the DJI Mic Mini wireless lavalier microphone kit combines clear audio, long battery life, and portable design in one package. If this review helped, please subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments.